Hello guys, welcome to another episode. We are in the village, actually my home village. As you can remember here, there's a video that we took from outside our kitchen here. So today I have some plantain here, matoke as we call them, and I have some green vegetables fresh from the garden. So guys, here we have to peel the bananas. You have to peel the bananas. As in Jamaica, they usually use these. But here I can't remove it in my hand. I have to use the knife, right, so that we peel in a quicker way. Yeah, that is it. Drop a comment what you think about this video here. It's very much amazing, and talking live from the village, guys. And if you are new here, go click that like button, share. I know you have amazing friends out there. God bless you as you subscribe to my channel and more amazing videos to come. Yeah, so we have to peel, guys. So guys, this is how we peel the bananas. I don't know when it is big like this. Let's say plantain, green plantain, as I can say, because there are other people told me that those are not green plantain, but to ourselves here we call them matoke ng'ombe. Yani cow bananas, because they are big. That's why we call them like that, guys. So drop a comment what you think about this video here, guys. I'm back. Those who are new here, I'm back to my home village. Actually, we are going to do a quicker lunch, but I am going to do it just traditionally. We are not going to put a lot of things like guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end, guys. Yeah, this is how we peel it, because I'm going to do it in a quicker way. Yeah, karibu sana, karibu Kenya, Africa. So guys, the matoke is ready. The matoke is ready, as you can see. It is very ready. So guys, thank you for coming to watch my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching yesterday's video. Actually, today I'm going to... So when I'm supposed to remove these black things, because I didn't put the sole area. That's why these black things came all along, guys. Drop a comment if you do like this. If you do like this. Ooh, this is the village, guys, and you have to get used to the village as usual, guys. So they are ready. I love the hole. Put them the hole as they are, like this, guys. We are going to do it in a local way. So, as usual, we are going to do it traditionally. So, I add some water. The level of the water should be like the level of the matoke, guys. So guys, this metal here, it's there to support the saucepan, guys. The saucepan, so that it gonna be in a higher level. So this is how we do it here, and then we add some firewood, guys. After adding some firewood, so guys, the peeling, some of it, it's supposed to be dried. You have to dry this. This is the, how do we call it, the peeling of the matoke. Some of the people dry it and then they mix it with finger millet, also some sorghum, and they take it to the posho mill While at the portion meat, they will get the flour, and the flour you're gonna make some porridge, or you're gonna cook it like ugali. So, but myself, I've never tried that, guys. So I have here some vegetables. I have pulled chili, and usually I'm not going to put oil, because there are some people, if you want to cook for someone who doesn't take oil, you have to add only salt, yeah, on the vegetables, guys. So this is called the rema. This is traditional vegetable. Where if you, for the infants, if you are at the hospital, you're gonna be advised to eat this, the rema, yeah. Also here I have the spring onions, fresh from the garden, but they are not held, as you can see. Wow, yeah. So after putting the matoke, I love to add the vegetables. So I love to add the vegetables, guys, like this. These are the vegetables. After that, I love to put the pulled chili, as the way they are like this. You put them like that. Also, I have to add the spring onions, guys. This is traditionally. It is not that hard to cook. It's just easy, and you can tell anyone just to cook for you, because it is very simple for those people who don't take oil. Yeah, so we put the spring onions, guys. Those are the spring onions. After putting the spring onions, I love to add salt, and a pinch of salt or a little bit of salt, because if you are cooking for someone who doesn't take oil, it needs like such a salt. After that, you cover it, and then it will be ready, guys. Drop a comment whether you have ever cooked like that. It's very simple for anyone outside there, for cooking for someone who is sick, maybe who doesn't take any oil. So hope you are enjoying the video. Watch until the end. Actually, God bless you as you come to watch my video, guys. Let's wait until it gets ready. Wow. So guys, here, this is our home. Actually, guys, this is our home, and this is where we hang our clothes, and we have started planting vegetables. These are some kale skuma wiki. So today I was doing some washing. This is my travel bag. I washed it because it was very dirty from the village. So this is where we hang our clothes, guys. Also, these are our wire here. So guys, like I said earlier, this is where we hang our clothes while we have washed them. So if you are outside there, continue supporting me. Actually, guys, I really appreciate the love that you usually show me always. As I'm talking here from the village, God bless you, and hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful moment, peaceful moments wherever you are. So we continue praying to each other, guys. Today I've worn this because my hair is not good. So, and this is my little parents' home. For those ones who are new here, these are my parents' house, guys. And my nephew lives here. You may wonder as to why the grass has grown like this, because we are waiting for someone to come and cut it. So there we are. This is our small gate here, guys. In our small gate, expect to see here at the village hall. Usually I show you how we close here at the village. This is how we close, guys. Like that. Like that. When you are the last person to close this gate, you have to close it like that, and then you enter the compound here. Yeah. So I open it because it is daytime. So this is also my brother's gate. It's not here. He's living at the coast, Mombasa. That's where his house is, guys. And this is banana here. Only we have eaten two green bananas from here. Also, guys, it's very bushy here. I don't know why they are not cutting the fence, guys. Also, that's another gate that you usually pass here to go to town. So guys, this is how it is getting ready. Very lovely. So guys, here the food is ready, and this is how it is. It's very much amazing, and it looks yummy, guys. It looks yummy. It's very much amazing. You can try this recipe outside there. Thank you so much.